What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. When it comes to live wallpapers, ROG phones have the best live wallpapers. And today we have live wallpapers from ROG 5S. Take a look and we'll show you how to install them on any Android device. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, huge thanks to Linux City for porting this live wallpapers from ROG 5S, and now it can be used on any Android device. Download links are given in the description below. Basically, we have two live wallpapers. One is this drone of detection and the second one is star shape. Also guys, if these wallpapers doesn't run on your device, you can download this X Mode application from APK Mirror, and I'll show you how to use this application too. So first you need to download these three applications. After you have downloaded, install them manually. Tapping on the application and just give the necessary permissions. So now I have successfully installed all these three applications on my Oneplus 9. And guys, on my Oneplus 9, I just had to install the live wallpaper APK and the wallpapers were working fine. X Mode application is only required if these wallpaper doesn't work on your devices. So towards the left hand side here you can see I have my Oneplus 5. And on this also, it wasn't required to install the X Mode application. Without installing that application, live wallpapers worked fine on both these devices. To test it out, I installed it on Oneplus 5, which is running Android 10. And here towards the right hand side, we have Oneplus 9. So let me show you inside the wallpaper section on both the devices. Swiping towards the right hand side, and here you can see at the last, we have two live wallpapers from ROG 5S. One is this drone of detection, and the second one is star shape. If you're using it on your OnePlus devices, I don't think there is any additional app to be required. But if it doesn't run on your OnePlus, we have an workaround, and that's by installing X Mode application. But once you install X Mode application, you need to give an ADB command, which I'll tell you in a later part. So here you can see we have both the devices, OnePlus 5. Let me apply this wallpaper and show you guys, and here you can see. The wallpaper just works fine on my Oneplus 5, and the same thing goes on Oneplus 9. So for me, on my OnePlus devices, I did not face any kind of issues with these live wallpapers. It was quite simple, just install the live wallpaper APK, head to the wallpaper section, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about the phones on which these wallpapers doesn't run. For that, what you have to do is, as said, you need to install this application called X Mode. And once you install this application, you need to connect your device to your PC. Before connecting, go to settings, about section, tap on the build number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. After that, go to system, developer options, and from here, make sure you enable USB debugging, and also make sure to install ADB drivers on your PC. I'll leave the link of ADB drivers in the description below. Just download that exe file and follow the on-screen instructions. So once you are done with installing ADB drivers and enabled USB debugging, connect your device to PC. After installing ADB drivers, you'll have an ADB folder in the C drive where you have installed Windows. So as you can see here, I've already installed ADB drivers, and now we need to open up command prompt here. Just type CMD in the address bar, and later you need to give an command. Just copy this command from the description below. Once you are done, open up command prompt and paste that command, and there you go. If you don't get any kind of errors, that means you are good to go. And once you do that, now you'll have an X Mode toggle in the quick setting tiles. If you don't find it in the main quick setting tiles, just tap on the edit icon and you'll have the X Mode toggler. Place it in the main section of quick setting tiles. Just enable it by tapping on it, and now you'll be able to use the live wallpapers of ROG 5S. So guys, this way you can install ROG 5S live wallpapers on any Android device. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.